we have find the food here is like a totally paradise. All the food here are all really local. Then we'll be having some of this, and all the seafood here are live. You might not be able to tell over the screen, but this around arm length and the fat has been broken down. The food that we are hunting for today is going to be unique, it's going to be local. We have helped with lots of friends, lots of research, and finally we have find the food that you can't see at tourist area. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today at Jay's Journey, we'll be bringing you all the local special food. And trust me, if there's no local to bring you, it's impossible for you as a tourist to reach. We're at the first destination here, and at here is like a totally paradise. To reach here, we need to go through all the small rides. They have got specialized own shop cars waiting at the side of a small road, and they will use it to pick you up to their restaurants. So at here, right, as you can see, is at the side of an entire seaside. What they did, right, is that they just shoot out the entire area and they start to rail fish at the side of the sea. How cool is that? We can absolutely guarantee all the seafood here is really fresh because they are all being railed inside the sea. So let's start with the feast that we are waiting for. Some vegetables, some prawns, some fried food. One thing I like about this restaurant, right, is that it's very local, but they do lots of innovative food. Don't get me wrong. All the food here are all really local. There's no fusion culture here, it's all local Thai. But they have made it pretty interesting. They have invented a little bit of the Thai food. And the looks, the aroma is enhanced. Really nice. ，We're having some classic Thai style fried pork belly with some chili, of course. Then we'll be having some of this crab here. It is a raw crab marinated in Thai sauce, definitely sour and spicy. Here's some papaya salad, a very classic Thai dish. After that, some fried fish. I would say the portion is really huge and it is not possible to finish it myself. I'll be sharing this, of course. Then we're having some clear soup-based tom yum. In Thai, it's called tom yum inside. And next some crab with lots of meat inside. Look at all these crab rolls, so appetizing, bright orange. Then another version of the crab is a soft shell fried crab. Everything about this soft shell crab is edible, from the leg to the claw. Everything is delicious. This is another dish that's made of crabs. Using crab meat as a base, they will stir fry it with some dry curry. Don't forget to eat it with white rice. Absolutely delicious. This is another crab-based dish. It's very tiny, and they use it as a base to fry it into something absolutely delicious. Moving on, let's go for prawn feast. Well, these are huge river prawns, and you can see the size is massive, with lots of prawn roll inside. Freshness is the best selling of this prawn. It's really tasty. And I'm going to use the prawn meat as a base, right, to go with the roll, and finally use it as a sauce to make the heavenly combo of the prawn. We're at another local shop here, where all the seafood here are live. We can't get enough of seafood in Thailand, and let's keep going. Another tom yum based soup, something that you must ever had in Thailand. You will drink this every day and you can never get tired of it. As friends who have remembered this is a Thai style curry crab meat. Using this with rice is absolutely mind-blowing.
比白酒更还没太记得。
So forget your vegetables. We have some local kangkong. It's a vegetables that's available in Southeast Asia and especially popular in Thailand. Then we'll have some fried fish. Look at how big is this meat. Not only is it tender, it's really crispy and easy to peel off.
应该是主食，应该是主食，或者有的深海。
Now the main dish of this entire meal is here. We have some mega sized mantis shrimp. You might not be able to tell over the screen, but this is around arm length size and it's really huge. The best part of it is the service in Thailand. As you see just now, it's still covered in shell. Then after that, we request for it to be peeled off. That's why I love Thailand. They give you great service, including peeling off the shell. Now we just need to peel off the meat ourselves and enjoy the meat of this mantis shrimp. There's a saying that mantis shrimp is actually much more delicious than a lobster. So why? Because the meat in the mantis shrimp is full of flavors, unlike lobsters, which is bland in the meat. And the roll that's inside the mantis shrimp is absolutely delicious. So by using this as a combo, I would really love to eat mantis shrimp over other types of prawns. Next, let's make another local Thai flavor. This is a very popular street stall that sells the slow braised pork leg on rice. So why using this combo? Because pork legs are full of collagen and fats. After you slowly braise it, the meat and the fat has been broken down. And using it as a rice is a really popular combination here. And look at the portion of this that they're cutting out. Lots of people are ordering every day, and finally we get our food served in a short while. Let's dig in. The meat is really tender as the fat and the meat has been broken down after hours of braising. And they have fried the fat of the pork until it's absolutely crispy. But now let's dig into the main dish. I'm tearing down a piece of the skin from the pork leg and I'm going to use it as a combo with the rice. Next up, I will be adding some Thai chili here to up the notch of the taste. As it is a spicy and sour combination, it goes really well with this rice combination. And trust me, you can't stop eating this. In no time, you'll finish up the entire bowl. Time to go for the egg. You can see how yolky it is. They have cooked it really well. All these local Thai food are something that you really must research or having a local to bring you. It is not for tourists, but absolutely delicious. To get more local scenes and vibe, don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more travel contents and video.